Welcome. We have another box. Well, the title clearly says I got a free jack, Trackmaster jack, in the mail. So let me explain what happened. I ordered this like I don't remember 4 or 3 months ago. But okay, anyways, this package was delivered about a month and a half or 2 months ago. So, but the thing is that I found this interesting is that it's because it get it for free. So let me explain. I placed the order. When I get the I never get it. So I open a crime and I ask eBay what's going on with my package. So they notice it's being, after I open the case, they review my case 23 days later and they issue a full refund. Anyways, so that's the reason I get it for free, because they thought that it was lost in mail. So anyways, so we have a jack. The year is 2006 from Hitoi company. It looks in decent condition. It's not that bad. So I get it from let me see, it's from eBay UK. I think they say UK. That's what. Okay, so I paid 34.48 pounds. I think it's Great Britain's pounds. Anyways, 34.48 on July 23rd. Yes, okay. So July 23, July, August, September. So on September 3rd, I got the refund, full refund, because they noticed that it was lost in mail. So anyways, I paid £12 for the model. I don't know the conversion at on $2 anyways, and shipping was £20.15, I think. So tax was £2.33. But anyway, so I get it for free, as you can see there on the image. So it's good. It's not bad. I've seen some of those jack that wooden railway. You push this roof. There's a button here. The roof, actually, you push it down and the shovel goes up. Really nice. Anyways, so let me open up, see how it's if it's working or not. So this specific model requires let me see. Okay, it looks like it requires AAA's, the small, yes, AAA's batteries. And let's hear it. And it's working. Works perfectly. Excellent. So I have here let me see, I think they look the same as the bulgy. I think it fits bulgy. No, it doesn't fit bulgy. Anyways, yeah, I thought it will fit bulgy. Okay, anyways, let's see how it runs with the battery. What do you guys think? I got it for free. That's a nice deal. So that's the reason I'm making the video. You probably might think, no, I'm not gonna order nothing from eBay. I'm gonna lose my money. No, because if you order your package and if the item never arrives, you'll get the full refund. See, I'm still seeing that the tracking, it doesn't show delivered, but I already got it in the mail. So that's a good part of this transaction. So let's see it running. It does run really good. It's kind of quiet despite the age, 2006. I don't know if what's released on 2006 or 2007, but it's kind of quiet. Now it bounces. It looks like one of these wheels. It's uneven or wobbly. I don't know why, but anyways, it's the age. But it's really nice. What do you guys think? So this one you can find it for even $8 or less than $8 sometimes if you order from eBay UK or UK. or whatever you want to. I remember one of these puppets from Jeff Dunham. They say "Ugh." I think it's Boba. I was about to say Boba Fett, but anyways, so you can get this really low price. Now, let me explain. You can get this on here in US really expensive, maybe $80, $100 or $120 sometimes, especially this season that is coming. And also this model right here, and Caroline. So these are not rare. Remember, these are not rare. You can find this in United Kingdom, one of those yes, one of those countries. You can find this any of these models, right, and get it from abroad, and you can find in a really low price. Remember, I already explained this, that you don't have to. It doesn't mean that if you find it $150, you're not gonna find it at a cheaper price. You can get this in lots, in a lot of Trackmasters, for a good deal. You know, maybe you got like a lot of engines, and one of these in the lot, maybe this, or maybe this, or maybe this, or even you can find these single units for a very low price and resell and make profit. But you're not gonna make a lot of profit. You need to sell like let me explain. If you're selling on eBay, you need to sell like 6 of these expensive models, or 10 engines or 15 engines a day to make profit. Otherwise, you are just making money for the carrier, for eBay, for the PayPal. If you're paying PayPal is not a lot, and you gotta pay, you know, whatever it costs you to buy it, and the shipping you pay, and the packaging. So anyways, I don't want to get so deep on that thing, so I get it for free. That's the point. I got this for free. It's a good deal. Remember, you can buy on eBay. Not all the cases work, but make sure in my case it showed that it was lost in transit, so I get full refund, and months later I get it delivered, so I got my money back, and I get the engine, the model. So that's pretty much what I wanted to share today. Isn't this nice? I think it's really nice. I don't collect, but I still have some left. Now these models are easy to get here in the US. Some of these you can get for $7, $8 plus shipping and taxes, and sometimes you can get any of these for maybe $20. You need to keep looking. This is an old one. It's for spare parts. Does not have a electric motor inside, nothing. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that I get this for free. All right.